What up, mga solid subscribers? Okay guys, unang-una sa lahat guys, no, hindi ako mag-ano man ng kung ano mang negative something, pero guys, congratulations pa rin guys, no? Congratulations pa rin, no? Kasi ginawa naman lahat guys, as in, isa sa mga magandang factor dyan guys, no, despite na ganun yung nangyari, no, at least may natulong siyang maganda rin guys, no, sa atin, no, diba, no? And itong ating yung nakita natin guys, no, very big shoutout kay Miss O, no, and 18 lost but found new friends in Stray excuse me, hinubo ko yung Stray Kids. Okay na. Panoorin natin guys nung video po na ito. No? Okay.
Latest
Let's go.
Asia Artist Awards update. SB19 18 lost but found new friends in Stray Kids Days. Sadly, SB19 lost the Asia Artist Awards 2025 Popularity Award for Male category to Stray Kids, who garnered 35.14% versus SB19 33.43%.
Guys,
But,
kung titignan nyo yung lamang, no, napakaliit lang po talaga guys, no. Diyan no, makikita guys na kabahan na kayo. Kabahan na kayo yung mga nakatunggali ng SB19, no? Kasi kaya naman talaga guys, no. Kinapos lang tayo, pero for me, hindi ko siya masabing pagkatalo kasi guys, isa lang yan sa mga, kung sakaling manalo SB19 dyan, isa lang yan sa mga awards na tanggap nila despite na ang dami na po nila napapanalo ng awards po guys. So, tandaan nyo yan guys. Isa lang po yan sa mga sabi natin mga bagay, no. Hindi ko masasabing lang, no, pero isa yan sa mga bagay na maaaring magpangat siguro sa pangalan ng SB19, pero napakarami na pong na-prove ng SB19 guys, okay?
it was a good fight. Ang saya pa ng interaction between Stace and 18. 18 congratulated Stray Kids and Stace, while Stace appreciated our efforts for our boys and for the impressive fight. Ayon pa sa kanila, 18 made them nervous. Here's a sweet interaction between Stace and 18 after the fight.
Wow. Ito yung magandang definition guys. Ito yung magandang example pala na alam niyo yung sports lang, no? Sports lang guys, no? Alam niyo yung pagkatapos ng laro, I'm pretty sure guys, nanonood kayo ng mga boxing, nanonood kayo ng mga UFC, basketball, mga anong sports, no? Pagkatapos ng laban guys, no? Shake hands, hug, 'di ba, no? Congratulations. Yung sportsmanship po guys, no? Oo, sige, may yung time na yon na yan, yung may mga botohan or kung ano mang criteria guys, no? Or mechanics or kung ano man, no? Yung mga bagay na yan guys, no? I think intense yan, as in darating pa sa point na hindi ka nagpapansinan, darating pa sa point na wag naman sana, no, nagkakasiraan or wag naman sana, no? Pero minsan guys, yung mga pagkakasiraan na yan, pag may competition na ganyan nangyayari guys, no? Ano lang yan, kumbaga just to spice things up guys. So may mga ganyan tao, may mga ganyang klaseng bagay na kahit ako sa basketball guys, no, may mga tao na mimisikal, may mga tao biglang itatrash talkin ka na. Pero ano mo yun, para maging intense lang yung laban. Pero at the end of the day, sports lang, no, kumbaga laro lang na yung mga ganun kaming ginagamit na term, no. Pero yun, nakakatuwa yung ganito na ito yung true example ng sportsmanship po guys, di ba? Okay.
Now, natalo man ang SB19, but let's acknowledge and appreciate the efforts that we did. After all, we did so well in this fight against the big fandoms in K-pop. Imagine umabot pa tayo sa final rounds, and that is a huge achievement already, especially that AAA is a big awarding event in South Korea. Lahat ng K-pop fandoms ay naghandara pa, and yet our P-pop kings made it to the final round. And also, kung maalala ninyo, last 2022 sa Billboard Fan Army Face-Off, naglaban din ang Stray Kids and Stace versus SB19 and 18 on the final round. Natalo tayo on that year, but nanalo naman sa next consecutive years, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Kaya malay natin kapag may next nomination na naman ng SB19 sa Asia Artist Awards, maybe we can win next time. So, congratulations Stray Kids and Stace, and for SB19 and 18, till next time.
Yes, until next time. So, for me guys, ulitin ko sa inyo na walang salitang talo. No? Kumbaga, meron ka natutunan sa bawat hindi mo pagkapanalo, no? Meron ka natutunan, no? Wag yung sasabihin guys na talo kami, hindi. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn, no? Okay? Tandaan niyo yung word na yan, no? Hindi always kayong mananalo, no? Okay? Hindi palaging ganun, okay? Ito, tingin pa tayo ng isang update.
More appreciation from Stray Kids stays for SB19's 18 after Asia Artist Awards 2025 voting. SB19 and 18 may have lost in the Asia Artist Awards final round voting, but we have built a good rapport with Stray Kids Stays. While 18 congratulated Stray Kids and Stays, the latter have also congratulated us with our dedication and wishes us the best. I must say, I love a fandom with good sportsmanship. Big up 18. Love this mindset from your team. Where we are not going up against each other, I think we could do some good stuff together. Also stay, continue show all that appreciation for the fight 18 put up. Are you kidding me? SB19 Fandom 18 is so nice and friendly. I'm loving each and every comment on my post. We always saw fun wars after winning, but this time, 18 is such a kind-hearted fandom. It was great knowing you all. Because of this voting, we also got the opportunity to explore a talented group like SB19. Maybe in future, when our fandom isn't against in a competition, we can join hands in voting to support each other.
Ooh. So, ay maganda guys, no? Nag-build sila ng friendship po, guys, no? So, kung halimbawa, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Win-win situation po, guys, no? Kung halimbawa nangailangan ng SB19 ng boto, no? Or kunyari, medyo short-handed tayo, no? Andyan, guys. Stray Kids, guys, no? Diba? Yung fandom nila, guys, as in, tutulong sila, andyan sila para tumulong sa atin, no? So, yan yung maganda, guys, no? So, maganda yung ganyan na nagbe-build tayo ng friendship, no? So, this is a very good sign and a very good attitude na pinapakita, syempre, ng 18. Let's go.
You guys were awesome. You made us sweat until the last second. I swear Stayville talked about your dedication and organizational skills. You made us proud to be against you. Let us know if we can be of any help in the future. You seem to be an awesome fandom. I'll check SB19 in honor of you all. Thank you for congratulating us. Your fandom gave us a massive competition. Win or lose is a part of fandom growth. All the best for
Gusto ko
future
tong part
voting.
na to, no? Win or lose is a part of fandom growth, no?
From Stay. 18, you all had us scared for a while there. Great fandom and a force to be reckoned with. Wishing you all the best. They have always been kind to Stays. 2 to 3 years ago, we voted against them and we won. And they were really kind then as well. Let's keep them in mind for any future collabs. They're actually the
Sobrang
sweetest.
init, nagaganto
I
na
really
ako.
love this fandom and this group. It was genuinely
Meron man ako electric fan, guys, no? Pero, ang init eh.
a good, enjoyable competition. The gap difference going back and forth kept us on our toes. They're a bunch of crazy voters. They were a pain in the ass, but
Crazy voters, eh, no?
they're really good and dedicated. Keep it up. Maybe next time, if we're not at odds, I'll help you out. On behalf of Stay, I congratulate you for your dedication. You were incredible and this was a tough battle. They gave it their all, they gave us a real fight, and we almost ended up in tears. They're a very solid fandom. Congratulations to you two for giving it your all.
Shoutout, syempre. Very big shout ulit sa buong 18, guys. So, sa lahat ng 18, guys, no? Sa 18, no? Syempre sa SB19, no? Dahil sa napakaganda ng pinapakita nilang, hindi lang po sa, in terms of, syempre, sa pagsuporta sa mga local talents, no? And at the same time, sa SB19, no? So, OPM Music, sa P-pop artists, no? Pero ating P-pop Kings, no? Pero, the way na kung paano sila makitungo po sa mga iba, excuse me, naubo talaga ako. Sa ibang fandom, guys, so, napaka-sports, napaka-mabait, no? Ayan, sana magtuloy-tuloy yung ganyan, no? Kasi, nakita nyo na, handang tumulong ang Stays, guys, no? Or, correct me if I'm wrong, no? Fandom ng Stray Kids, guys, no? Sa atin, no? Pag halimbawa na kailangan po ng tulong ang SB19, no? Okay. So, yan yung mga magandang mangyayari, guys, no? So, let's all, let's all learn from this, guys, no? Na wag na nating pairalin yung mga toxicity, guys, no? Sa mga isa't isa, no? Lala, kapwa Pinoy, no? Nagbabangayan po tayo, no? Wag na, itigil na po natin yung ganun, guys, no? Okay? Kaya natin yan. So, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng video, no? Very big shout out kay Miss O, no? And syempre, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell para alam nyo po pag mag-release ng bagong video, no? So, this is Point of signing out. Peace. Let's see.